Hi there, Roger Connect, President of Universal Accounting Center. Today I'm going to discuss with you a few things related to the Professional Tax Preparer Program. A lot of people will ask questions over the years as who enrolls, why they enroll, what the program looks like, and I'd like to answer those for you today. A lot of the things that I've noticed over the years with the Professional Tax Preparer Program is, first of all, that back in 2012 when the IRS began regulating tax preparers a little bit more closely, requiring then, at the time, them to get their PTINs and at the time actually become RTRPs, which right now is in a little hold status, I guess you could say. But aside from all that, it's when those things came out in 2012 that the PTP designation became much more important here within the United States. Before then, before 2012, many people were aspiring to become professional tax preparers. Now it's even more important because of all these things that the IRS has done recently in the last few years. But what does that designation represent? First of all, it shows that you're proficient in the application of tax law in both the preparation of individual and business returns. Many people within the tax profession will have experience, let's say, doing individual returns and doing those 1040s, but the big challenge comes trying to show that you have a certification or a designation showing you're proficient in that skill set. What the PTP designation, the Professional Tax Preparer Program, does is it helps actually show your proficiency there as well as in business returns. Regardless of the type of business entity, whether it be a sole proprietor, LLC, S-Corp, it's actually in that program that you're able to understand and be certified in the preparation of business returns as well. So that's a key element as to who will basically enroll in this. It's anyone that's in the tax profession that wants to be serious about their career and show that they're proficient, tested and certified by a third-party entity as having that skill set. A lot of people use this designation in their careers, furthering themselves with job placement and employment. The other people will actually use this as they're marketing their services and trying to show in their community that they are, in fact, of the tax preparers, the best of the best. The next happens to be a question of, well then what does the program cover? What does it teach? It's a four-module program. Most people take modules 1 through 4. There are those individuals that do not have self-employment interest that will just go through modules 1 through 3, and this will make sense in just a moment. The modules are set up where the first module is conveniently just designed to teach you everything that's on the front side of the 1040. It goes line by line, schedule by schedule, showing you exactly how to fill out and determine by the end basically a person's taxable income. The module then switches to module 2, which is the back side of the 1040, and again it goes line by line, form by form, going through the schedules, and it helps you then determine the tax liability that an individual actually has. And so that's modules 1 and 2. The third module is where we go through all the business types, the business entities, and show you how to perform all the tax requirements for those different entities. That right there is where you can become a professional tax preparer. Now, with that, you're good to go. However, a lot of people actually do also enroll in the fourth module where we show you how to start and build a successful tax practice. In here, we're showing you things such as pricing, how to interview your clients and get the information you need to properly advise them and assess their tax situation. It shows you how to actually go through and market your practice, acquire the clients. We've got in there 9 proven marketing strategies that are very effective and inexpensive that you can implement. We provide coaching to assist you as you're going through that process as well. So a lot of things there that I think are essential for a person, whether they're pursuing themselves a successful career in tax or whether they're in the process of starting and building a successful practice. Now, with this, one of the things that people will ask is, if that's who's going through it, and that's what the program is, how long does it take? Generally speaking, the program is designed to be done in about 4 to 6 weeks. It is an independent study program, so you can go through it much quicker or slowly. The program is designed to be done in those weeks, but we've had people finish it in a week or so. If you have the time, you're maybe in between employment or something, this gives you an opportunity to really go through the program and get everything that you're wanting to so that you can be certified as a professional tax preparer. Lastly, what I wanted to point out is when you go through the program, one of the things that you have available to you is we support all of our students. If you have questions that are related to tax forms that you're preparing, you can contact Universal Accounting. We can assist you as a professional tax preparer in answering those questions, so it's not always a situation of you needing to know everything. One of the things we pride ourselves on is we have for the last number of years been the first to come out with the updates related to the tax laws after the end of the year. We're first on the scene with those updates, so we're readily helping our students who are professional tax preparers stay on top and quickly get into the tax season after the end of the year. So some of the things that I'm sure answer your questions questions and help you understand why it is you may want to become a professional tax preparer. I do appreciate your time. Remember this, if it's about accounting, it is universal. Thank you, take care, and have a great day. Bye-bye.